Welcome to Front, the shared inbox for teams. Do you ever wish you had a time machine so you could see exactly what happened in the past? Well, Front's Audit Trail can get you close, at least when it comes to your team's communications. Let's take a look. To access Front's Audit Trail, click here. By default, I'll see everything that's happened in my Front account across all my inboxes. But I can easily use these options to hone in on the answer to my question. For example, only reviewing Wayne's actions. Or seeing every time someone commented in our support inbox. And don't forget about Front's analytics for even more in-depth exploration of your account. Now, it's your turn. Log in and check out your audit trail. If you ever need help, simply head to community.frontapp.com.